In America, success means standing out. From childhood, people are taught to speak their minds, chase their dreams, and take risks. But in Japan, success means blending in. The group comes first, and harmony matters more than individual ambition. One culture celebrates independence, the other values unity. But which one leads to a better life? Picture this: two people enter a room. One is American, the other Japanese. The American confidently shakes hands, introduces himself, and is eager to share ideas. The Japanese bows slightly, observing first before speaking. This small difference isn't just about manners, it reveals an entire way of thinking, one that shapes everything from business to relationships. But which mindset leads to greater success? Different mindsets, different priorities. An American might ask, "What do I want?" A Japanese person asks, "What's best for everyone?" In America, ambition is celebrated. From a young age, kids are encouraged to dream big, challenge norms, and take risks. The American dream thrives on the idea that anyone can rise to the top if they work hard enough. In Japan, the collective comes first. Success isn't about standing out, it's about contributing to the group. A student who speaks up too much in class might be seen as disruptive rather than confident. A worker pushing new ideas might be advised to follow company traditions. The goal isn't personal success, it's harmony. But which mindset leads to true happiness? The freedom to chase personal goals, or the security of belonging to something bigger? Speed versus perfection. In America, speed is power. Fail fast, fix fast, and move on. But in Japan, patience is key. Instead of rushing, they refine, perfect, and master. American companies like Apple and Tesla embrace rapid innovation. They launch products quickly, improving them over time. In contrast, Japan values precision. Toyota, Sony, and even sushi chefs spend years perfecting their craft before releasing anything to the world. But this perfection comes at a cost. Many Japanese workers face intense pressure, leading to burnout. Meanwhile, America's move-fast culture can sometimes result in rushed, flawed products. So, which is better: fast innovation with occasional failures, or slow perfection with high pressure? Work culture, smart versus steady. Americans believe in working smart: efficiency, quick results, and innovation. In Japan, work is about kaizen, continuous improvement. A sushi chef might spend years mastering rice preparation before moving on to fish. In American companies, decisions are made quickly, sometimes leading to massive success, other times to failure. In Japan, decisions go through multiple layers of approval, reducing risk but slowing progress. Does playing it safe limit growth, or does it ensure quality? Communication, direct versus indirect. Imagine an employee making a mistake. In America, the boss says, "This was wrong. Fix it." In Japan, the manager stays silent, later suggesting a solution without pointing fingers. Americans value directness. If there's a problem, they address it immediately. Japanese culture, however, avoids confrontation. Instead of saying, "You're wrong," they say, "Perhaps there's another way." This preserves harmony but sometimes hides real issues. Which is better, clear correction or subtle guidance? Creativity versus discipline. The US thrives on creativity. Apple, Google, and Tesla were built by college dropouts. Meanwhile, Japan focuses on discipline, producing world-class engineers but fewer entrepreneurs. One nation innovates, the other perfects. Both approaches create success, but in different ways. What if these worlds combined? Now, imagine a world where American creativity meets Japanese discipline. A place where people dream big but also take time to master their craft. Would it be unstoppable? Or would it clash? So tell us, do you value freedom or harmony more? If you found this comparison interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more eye-opening videos.